How to put someone's story on your Instagram story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to add a story that somebody has actually posted it. Now to begin with, go ahead and open up your Instagram account. Now first of all, let's say that if somebody has actually mentioned or tagged you on a certain story, then it will be very easy for you to add them on your Instagram story. So all you have to do is go to your DMs, and here you'll be able to see the statement as mentioned you on a particular story, and then you can just go ahead and tap the add to your story button, and it's going to be automatically added to your story. However, if the other user has not actually mentioned, and all you need to do is put the following photo or a video into your story, and what you can do is just open up the particular video or the particular story, and after that you can simply take a screenshot if that's an image, and if it's a video then you can go ahead and screen record the particular content. After you've done that, you need to go to your story, and from here you can simply go ahead and tap the particular story or the following content and then add it to your story. So that's how you can put somebody else's story into your Instagram story. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.